Hello there, I'm RBC 5674398 but you can call me Red. It's a busy life being a red blood cell. Right now, you're inside the bone marrow with me. It's crowded in here. Everyone is bumping into each other. We're all fresh out of production, ready to get to work. We don't have much time to chat, though. The bloodstream awaits. Our job to deliver oxygen to every corner of the body. No oxygen, no life. It's a big responsibility for a little cell like me. It's our job to pick up oxygen from the lungs and deliver it to all the cells in the body. Then we pick up carbon dioxide and bring it back to the lungs to be exhaled. It's a constant loop, around and around, day in and day out. No rest for the weary. But hey, someone's got to do it, right? And I wouldn't trade this job for anything. It's in my blood, literally. Whoosh! Here we go. Just got swept up in a current and now we're heading for the lungs. It's like being on a water slide, only we're inside a blood vessel. The lungs are amazing. Imagine a giant sponge filled with tiny air sacs. That's where I pick up my precious cargo oxygen. It binds to the hemoglobin in my cytoplasm, turning me a bright cherry red. I feel energized, ready for my first delivery. The air sacs are thin and delicate like soap bubbles. Oxygen passes through their walls and into the surrounding capillaries. That's where we red blood cells come in. We squeeze through these tiny vessels, our flexible membranes, allowing us to deform and navigate the narrow passages. It's a tight fit, but we manage. We have to. The body is counting on us. Next stop, the brain. This is a high priority zone. Those brain cells need a constant supply of oxygen to keep the body functioning. The blood vessels here are narrower and the flow is a bit more turbulent. I have to dodge and weave to avoid colliding with other cells and the vessel walls. It's a bumpy ride, but I'm laser focused on my mission. The brain is the control center of the body. It's responsible for everything from thinking and feeling to breathing and moving. Without a constant supply of oxygen, the brain wouldn't last long, and neither would the body it controls. Talk about pressure, but I'm up for the challenge. Uh-oh, there's trouble ahead. I can sense it. The blood vessel is narrowing and the flow is slowing down. It's inflammation, probably caused by an injury or infection. White blood cells are rushing to the scene, releasing chemicals that cause the blood vessels to constrict. This could be a problem. It looks like I'll have to take a detour. The liver is nearby, a filtration hub, not where I offload CO2, but it's a safer route for now. Plus, the liver filters toxins from the blood, so it's like getting a little tune-up for us red blood cells. It's not the most direct route, but I'll get back on track soon enough. Hold on tight, we're entering a clot zone. This is one of the most dangerous parts of our journey. A blood clot is like a traffic jam in the bloodstream, formed by platelets and fibrin. It's the body's way of stopping bleeding, but it can also be a major obstacle for us red blood cells. The clot is thick and sticky and the flow is sluggish. I have to squeeze through narrow gaps and avoid getting trapped in the fibrin mesh. If I get stuck, I could be removed from circulation altogether. That's the end of the line for a red blood cell, but I'm not giving up without a fight. Section 6. Muscle power up, delivering the goods. I can see my destination, a muscle cell. It's working hard, contracting and relaxing, generating the force that allows the body to move. All that activity requires a lot of energy, which means it needs a constant supply of oxygen. Time to make the delivery. I squeeze through the capillary wall and approach the muscle cell. It's amazing to think that something so small can have such a big impact. But that's the power of oxygen. It's essential for life, and it's my job to deliver it. I release my oxygen cargo, feeling a sense of satisfaction as the muscle cell absorbs it. Section 7, back to the heart, the beat goes on. My journey continues back towards the heart. This mighty organ pumps tirelessly, keeping the blood flowing throughout the body. It's the engine that drives the entire circulatory system. As I approach the heart, I can feel its rhythmic contractions. Each beat propels me forward, closer to the lungs for another oxygen refill. The heart is a marvel of engineering. It's divided into 4 chambers, each with a specific role to play in circulating blood. Valves open and close with precision, ensuring that the blood flows in the right direction. It's a complex and beautiful system, and I'm proud to be a part of it. Section 8, fading away, a noble end. I'm starting to feel a little different. My membrane is becoming stiff and my energy is waning. After about 120 days in circulation, it's time for me to retire. My journey is coming to an end. But it's not a sad occasion, it's simply the natural order of things. As I enter the spleen, I'm greeted by macrophages, specialized cells that engulf and break down old or damaged cells. They recycle my components, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. My iron is salvaged and sent back to the bone marrow, where it will be used to create new red blood cells, and so the cycle of life continues. Section 9. Unsung Heroes, Life in the Bloodstream. Even though my individual journey has ended, the bloodstream is teeming with billions of other red blood cells, each carrying out the same vital mission. We may be small, but we are mighty. We are the unsung heroes of the body, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you alive and functioning. So next time you take a breath, remember the incredible journey of the red blood cell. We are the lifeblood of the body, and we're always here for you, circulating through your veins, delivering the oxygen you need to survive. Never underestimate the power of a single cell. We are small, but together we are mighty.